Customizing Pinterest to create customers. In our video about understanding Pinterest, we walked you through the steps of requesting a Pinterest invite, setting up your account, following others, and unfollowing if necessary, and exploring how individual images can link back to your site. In this video, we will talk about customizing your Pinterest account and some simple strategies for being found on Pinterest. The first thing you'll want to do is add your company info to your account. Go to the pull-down menu with your name in the upper right-hand corner and select Settings. Pinterest originally generated your name from your Facebook account if you signed up with Facebook. If you do not want your name to appear on your account, you can remove your last name and change your first name. This is required, and you can change your first name to your company name or anything else you would like. Be sure to include a link to your website and add your company image. If you leave the link to Facebook icon on, your Pinterest posts will show up on your Facebook account. The problem is you can only link to your primary personal Facebook account, so it's hard to get business benefit out of linking from Pinterest to Facebook. Next, you can decide if you want to have your Pinterest posts show up in your Facebook timeline. You can also link to Twitter from here. If you have a Twitter account that is your business account, you can bring in Twitter followers to follow you on Pinterest. Since you want the search engines to see your Pinterest page, leave visibility at off. Click the Save Profile button next, and this will take you back to your Pinterest account page. You may have created several boards based on the default samples that were created upon sign-up. Now it's time to think about the types of boards that would be of interest to your prospective customers. Remember, Pinterest is primarily a social search engine. People will search Pinterest for things they want to know more about. This is your opportunity to be found and shared by a large and fast-growing community. Think of the type of boards that may be of interest to your customers. If you run a golf shop, you may want to run images of the type of equipment you carry, but you will probably find that a number of graphically well-designed golf quotes will be shared more in the Pinterest community and drive more traffic back to your site. You don't have to choose between one or the other. The best idea is to do both. The cool thing about Pinterest is that the more content you add to your account, the more likely it is that someone will find you. Be sure to add a pin button to your website. You can pick one up at pinterest.com/about/goodies. You can create a general pin it button for your site, or you can create individual pin it buttons for individual products and pages on your site. The reason that you may want to create individual product buttons is because it allows you to control the description that is added inside of Pinterest. This can improve your chances of being found within their site. If you want the price to appear on a particular product, all you need to do is include $price as part of the description. This allows your products to be included in the Gifts section in the main navigation bar. If your product or service addresses your customer's lifestyle, you can look at your customer's boards to get vital information about their interests. When you see your customer's page, you may see things that refer to some aspect of your business. Pin those items onto a customer Pinterest board. This is an interesting new way to interact with your customers. A company that does this quite often is Whole Foods, which we link to in the resource section of this video's checklist. One of the most important things that can drive visitors to your Pinterest page and then through to your website is your curation of a particular subject on the internet. As an example, if your company sells school supplies, then you may want to use your Pinterest account as a showcase of great ideas for teachers and how the school supplies you sell can be used. This will draw in your most likely customers, school teachers. You can also look on Pinterest for great class projects and repin them. It's likely that people who post classroom projects on Pinterest are also prospective customers for a school supply company. You can also add videos to Pinterest. If you have a strategy of marketing through video, you should definitely post to Pinterest for the same reasons you would want to post your images. If you are using hashtags on Twitter, be sure to use the same hashtags on Pinterest. This ties together your posts in Twitter with your posts on Pinterest. When you add new blog content, new videos, or new images to your website, this is also a good time to add them to Pinterest. You can also include coupons as an image on your Pinterest boards. Since there is no way currently to communicate and pin found items based upon location, Pinterest works best for those whose business model serves the larger internet community, either through direct web sales or catalog sales. But if you want to open a conversation and connect with others based upon shared interests, Pinterest can do this for you with very little extra effort. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stop by our site to pick up the checklist for the video, which includes more information and resources.